Welcome to IELTS.net podcast. Creative problem solving in IELTS speaking, mastering your response. As an IELTS speaking examiner, I've encountered numerous candidates tackling the topic, describe a time when you solved a problem creatively at work or school. This topic frequently appears in IELTS speaking tests and is likely to remain relevant in future examinations. Let's explore how to approach this question effectively and maximize your score. Part 1. Introduction and Interview. In Part 1, the examiner may ask general questions about problem solving and creativity. Here's a sample question with a suggested response. Question: do you consider yourself a creative person? Band 6-7 answer: yes, I think I'm quite creative. I often come up with new ideas at work and enjoy finding unique solutions to problems. Band 8-9 answer: absolutely. I'd say creativity is one of my strongest attributes. I have a knack for thinking outside the box and frequently devise innovative solutions to challenges in both my personal and professional life. For instance, I recently spearheaded a project at work where we implemented a new system that significantly boosted our team's productivity. Part 2. Long turn. Cue card. Describe a time when you solved a problem creatively at work or school. You should say what the problem was, how you solved it creatively, what the result was, and explain why you think it was a creative solution. Band 6-7 answer: I'd like to talk about a time when I solved a problem creatively at my university. The problem was that our student club didn't have enough funds for an important event. I came up with the idea to organize a small fundraising fair. We set up booths selling handmade crafts and food. This was creative because we hadn't done anything like this before. The result was great. We raised enough money for our event and even had some left over. I think it was creative because it brought the whole student community together and solved our problem in a fun way. Band 8-9 answer: I'd like to recount a situation where I employed a creative approach to problem solving during my final year at university. We were faced with a significant challenge. Our department's annual symposium was at risk of cancellation due to budgetary constraints. Rather than accepting defeat, I proposed an unconventional solution. I suggested we transform the symposium into a virtual event, leveraging digital platforms to host presentations and discussions. This was particularly innovative at the time, as remote events weren't as commonplace as they are now. The outcome was remarkably positive. Not only did we circumvent the financial hurdle, but we also expanded our reach exponentially. By going digital, we were able to include renowned speakers from across the globe who wouldn't have been able to attend in person. Moreover, student participation skyrocketed as the online format allowed for greater flexibility. I consider this solution creative for several reasons. Firstly, it challenged the status quo of traditional academic conferences. Secondly, it transformed a potential setback into an opportunity for growth and innovation. Lastly, it demonstrated the power of adaptability in problem solving, a skill that has proven invaluable in my professional life since then. Follow-up questions: how did your peers and professors react to your idea? Band 6-7 answer: at first, some people were unsure about the idea, but once we explained how it would work, most people got excited. The professors were especially happy because it meant we could invite more guest speakers. Band 8-9 answer: initially, my proposal was met with a mix of skepticism and intrigue. Some of my peers were apprehensive about departing from the traditional format, while others were immediately enthused by the potential of a digital platform. Our professors, to their credit, were remarkably open-minded. They recognized the innovative potential of the idea and appreciated the initiative we were showing in tackling the problem head-on. As we fleshed out the details and addressed concerns, the excitement grew. By the time we launched the virtual symposium, there was a palpable sense of anticipation throughout the department. Do you think creativity is an innate skill, or can it be developed? Band 6-7 answer: I believe creativity can be developed. While some people might be naturally more creative, everyone can improve their creative skills with practice and the right mindset. Band 8-9 answer: in my view, creativity is a multifaceted attribute that combines both innate tendencies and learned skills. While some individuals may possess a natural predisposition towards creative thinking, I firmly believe that creativity can be cultivated and enhanced through deliberate practice and exposure to diverse experiences. Nurturing creativity involves fostering an environment that encourages curiosity, risk-taking, and out-of-the-box thinking. It's about developing the ability to make unique connections between seemingly unrelated concepts, which can be honed through various techniques such as brainstorming, mind mapping, and exploring different perspectives. Moreover, creativity often thrives in interdisciplinary settings. By exposing oneself to various fields of knowledge and different ways of thinking, one can expand their cognitive repertoire and enhance their creative capabilities. This is why I believe that lifelong learning and maintaining an open mind are crucial for developing and sustaining creativity. Part 3. Two-way discussion. Examiner, how important is creativity in the workplace? Band 6-7 answer. Creativity is very important in the workplace. It helps companies come up with new ideas and solve problems. Creative employees can help businesses stay competitive and find better ways to do things. Band 8-9 answer. Creativity in the workplace is absolutely crucial in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. It serves as a catalyst for innovation, which is the lifeblood of any forward-thinking organization. Creative thinking enables companies to adapt to changing market conditions, devise novel solutions to complex problems, and stay ahead of the competition. Moreover, creativity fosters a dynamic work environment that can boost employee engagement and satisfaction. When employees feel empowered to think creatively, they're more likely to be invested in their work and contribute valuable insights. It's worth noting that creativity isn't just about groundbreaking inventions. It's equally important in day-to-day operations. Creative approaches can lead to process improvements, more effective communication strategies, and innovative marketing techniques. In essence, creativity is a versatile tool that can enhance various aspects of business operations, making it an indispensable asset in the modern workplace. Examiner, do you think schools should focus more on developing students' creativity? Band 6-7 answer. Yes, I think schools should focus more on creativity. It's important for students to learn how to think creatively because it will help them in their future jobs and in solving problems in life. Band 8-9 answer. Absolutely. I believe that cultivating creativity should be a cornerstone of modern education. In an era where automation and artificial intelligence are rapidly changing the job market, creative thinking is becoming an increasingly valuable skill that sets humans apart. By fostering creativity in schools, we're equipping students with the ability to think critically, approach problems from multiple angles, and generate innovative solutions. These skills are not only crucial for future employment, but also for navigating the complexities of modern life. Moreover, integrating creativity into the curriculum can make learning more engaging and effective. It encourages students to take ownership of their education, promotes curiosity and exploration, and can lead to deeper understanding and retention of subject matter. However, it's important to note that this doesn't mean diminishing the importance of core subjects. Rather, it's about infusing creative approaches into how these subjects are taught and learned. For instance, using project-based learning or interdisciplinary studies can help students see the real-world applications of what they're learning and encourage creative problem-solving. In essence, by prioritizing creativity in education, we're not just preparing students for exams. We're preparing them for life in a rapidly changing world where adaptability and innovative thinking are paramount. Key vocabulary and phrases for high scores. To employ a creative approach, phrase, employ a creative approach. To use an innovative or original method. Example, we needed to employ a creative approach to solve this complex issue. To circumvent, verb, circunt, to find a way around an obstacle. Example, the team circumvented the budget constraints by seeking alternative funding sources. To spearhead, sped, to lead or initiate an attack or movement. Example, she spearheaded the campaign to introduce more eco-friendly practices in the office. To devise, verb, vise, to plan or invent a complex procedure, system, or mechanism. Example, we need to devise a strategy to increase our market share. Multifaceted, adjective, multifaceted, having many different aspects or features. Example, Creativity is a multifaceted skill that involves various cognitive processes. Examiner's advice: to excel in the IELTS speaking test, particularly when discussing creative problem solving, prepare diverse examples. Have a range of personal experiences ready to discuss, showcasing different aspects of your creativity. Use sophisticated vocabulary. Incorporate advanced words and phrases naturally in your responses. Provide detailed explanations. Don't just state what happened, explain your thought process and the impact of your creative solutions. Practice fluency. Work on speaking smoothly and confidently, minimizing hesitations and fillers. Engage with the examiner. Show enthusiasm for the topic and be ready to expand on your answers when prompted. Remember, the key to a high score is not just what you say, but how you say it. Demonstrate your language proficiency while conveying your ideas clearly and engagingly. For more insights on IELTS speaking topics, you might find it helpful to explore our articles on describing a person with a unique approach to problem solving and discussing complex problem-solving experiences. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, make sure to follow our channel so you don't miss out on more valuable content coming your way. We've got a lot of exciting topics lined up, and we'd love for you to be part of the journey. Hit that follow button and stay connected with us for more insights and inspiration. See you in the next episode.